path. Oh, yeah, this is the second part. I decided to make two parts of this. I don't know why, but honestly, it was an accident. My hand pressed a button on my phone and it stopped recording, so I'll just make two parts. Yay, two videos. Haha. Yippee-ki-yay. Alright, if you don't remember, we're trying to scale this bit of a hill, like really, really steep and muddy. Yeah! Got it! Got it! Got it! Oh god, there's so much greenbrier. Ah, damn. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh god. Oh god. Please. Dun. Oh dear god. Yeah, I got holes in my jeans, so greenbrier scratches my legs. I'm going down. Oh god, that hurt my hands. Oh, son of a. That just hit my thing. I just hit that. It hurt. Why didn't it cut me? Okay. Turkey feather. Huh. Anyway, yeah, like I said, fencing was put in here in before 1950, and here it is. Or what's left of it, anyways. Y'all can see that. Yeah, y'all can. Yeah. And the wire. Ow! Fan jävlar helvete! Sorry, I've been watching a bit too much PewDiePie. Ah. Well, that hurt. Yeah. I've always been curious about this. It's a little tree. It's never grown, but it's always just stayed at this point. It's never grown in the past 9 years that I've lived here. It's not dead. It's winter time here. It's winter time here in Texas. But I mean, I've seen it grow leaves and everything. Like, it's even got some green moss on it. What is this place? I've never seen this place before. What the hell? Let's see if we can get through here. Ow. Huh. Well, there's more fence posts right there. Y'all see them. More. What is this? This looks like an old road path. Like, look at this. Huh. This is weird. But cool at the same time. Alright, let's see if we can get out of here in one piece. Alright, I guess we're going through there. There's no spiders. Oh, God, that hurt. Hit me a little too close for comfort. Alright. No spiders on me. Okay, good. Here's where I'm gonna need my scythe. There. Oh! Hit me in the freaking face, you piece of crap. Oh, that hurt. Scratched me all over the face. Hands. Oh, I should have worn gloves. Okay, here there's lots of snakes. Hopefully we encounter none. Oh, that's really bright on my screen. The sun's over there. Okay. Okay. We did it. I'm gonna have to sit y'all down again. Put this back on. My belt loop. My belt. Don't go in my pocket. Okay. So anyway, wow, I look like a really good tan on my screen because the sun's hitting me. Anyway, yeah, over there's my Uncle T Tom's property and my Uncle T or my Aunt Tina's and all that, or my great Aunt Tina. I don't know why you all call her Tina. She's part of my family somehow. Anyway, yeah, they own their property right next to ours. We just got about 11 acres, so not that big. Oh, that looks iced, but it's not. Oh, no, it is, but just really, really thin ice and choppy. Yeah, that's cool. As long as I don't sink in the mud whenever I drive the Kubota over there. And I'll probably do a video of that too. Ooh, more ice. Look at this mess. I probably want to go on the other side because that's a wider range. Anyway, guys, like I said, be sure to subscribe to those people. Like, the Halet Z, Blake Barker, RPG Minx, PewDiePie, Cryotic. They're really awesome people. I've met, like, Reese and Blake, Halet Z is Reese, and Blake Barker, they go to school with me, so, yeah, I know them. They're really awesome guys. Yeah. I haven't met Minx, Cry, Marcia, or Felix yet, or all them people. I really want to. They're yeah, like I said in the video before, they're the reason I started YouTube. They look like they're having fun doing it. I think I'm gonna have fun doing it too. In my next video, I should be recording me playing a game on my Xbox. I'm not sure what game yet or how that's gonna go, but I'm gonna do it like today, hopefully pretty soon, once I get this uploaded. If I can get this uploaded, depending on my computer speed, or the computer speed, not my computer. But yeah, hopefully it all goes well. Hopefully this looks good. And I'm almost home, as you can see. Yippee! Yeah, I was gonna say something, but I can't remember. Hopefully I remember next time. What was it? Anyway, you guys, like this video if you enjoyed. Subscribe, and become part of the Night Army. It really helps me whenever y'all subscribe and like, and I really enjoy seeing y'all's comments and everything. Whenever y'all do comment, but just tell your friends about me, tell your family about me, tell them come subscribe to me, like my videos and everything. So yeah, like if you enjoyed, subscribe and become part of the Night Army today, and I will see y'all guys later. Take care.